A group may be working on a project and, for example, they need to find out about how to round off decimal numbers. So what they would need to do, they've got a number of avenues of resources that they can go through, but they may choose the workshop avenue.
This is the Workshop Central, and this is the agenda board where you sign up for workshops that you want to sign up for.
They choose when they want to go over and request a workshop and find out this information that they require just in time.
This is how you request a workshop. You will get a form like this that says, I need to know more about. You will put the subject that you want to know more about. Then the essential learning element code. That is the code on the capacity matrix next to the subject you want to learn about. Then you'll put your full name and your family group. You'll place it under this magnet here that says put your request here. The teacher will take it out and will read it. Then she will put a workshop sign-up sheet for you. Then whoever also needs help with the subject can sign up for a workshop.
Sometimes we have 5 people in a workshop, sometimes we might have 25, or even sometimes we have the neighbourhood workshop whereby 150 students are all in the one workshop.
This is a flowchart of how to attend a workshop. First you check the workshop agenda board, then you sign your name up to the workshop. First you put your name down, your first name, your last name, and what family group you're in. You go to the flowchart again, you write the workshop time and place in your planner. You attend the workshop. After the workshop, you will place any materials given to you at the workshop in your learning folder. Then you write a reflection in your learning folder what you understood from that workshop and what you have learnt from the workshop.
Because the students want to be there, there are no distractions and students are genuinely interested in what's going on.
The biggest change for me coming into the centre has probably been a move away from passive learning to the students being active learners, in the sense that in a traditional classroom setting, children often will put their hand up and ask for an answer for a question, and it's often not that they don't understand the question, it's that they don't want to think about the answer. And from moving away from that, from being more of a controlling type of teacher to be more of a facilitator of learning, I guess is the biggest change I've had to take.
When students are working through their capacity matrices and they find that they need help with a particular problem, or they just need to have something clarified, students will go to levels of self-help.
When we need help with anything, we use the levels of self-help. These are our levels. We have ourselves, resources, a friend, and then the teacher. With yourself, you have to see if you know it and if you have researched it properly. And then resources, we have resource tubs everywhere and books, worksheets, and so we can use those to see if we can get any help from those. We have friends, which we can always ask, and they're always willing to help. And then if they don't work, the teachers always know the answers, or most of the time know the answers.
So family guides are obviously always there for assistance, but we just encourage the students to try all their avenues before just asking.
Well, we used to just always go to the teacher and not figure out anything for ourselves. So we just used to get all the answers from our teachers.
It was very hard sometimes for teachers not to just jump in and do it. So that was a real challenge for teachers in the centre.